They are some of the shyest and intelligent creatures on Earth, but orangutan are under threat. Monitoring their numbers is crucial, and scientists have been using innovative drone technology to help their plight.
It's really useful because orangutans make their nests usually in the canopy of trees, and orangutans can weigh up to the size of a human. They weigh about 80 kilograms, so they're really substantial nests, and there's a lot of engineering that goes into making them. And it's great because when the nest decays, it turns brown, and we can see it from aerial images.
70 drone surveys have been completed so far, bringing in 20,000 aerial images. But now your help is needed. Seoul has set up a web page where you can sign up to volunteer as a citizen scientist. You scan each image and look for orangutan nests in the forest canopy, helping the research team gather in more data. Ecologists have also joined forces with astrophysicists to harness technology usually used to study the brightness of stars. By combining drones with thermal cameras, researchers are now able to spot and classify animals like orangutans by the heat they give off.
Astrophysics is obviously really fascinating. We're asking the really big questions. Where did we all come from? Why are we here? But for me, taking all of that knowledge and understanding from out there in space and applying it to a real-world problem down here is absolutely the best thing ever.
The hope is that in the future they will be able to track large numbers of species in real time all around the globe. You could even pick up the heat trace of poachers, all of it helping to ensure the survival of our most endangered animals. Laura Piper, STV News.